Are you all right? No. Stop and go ahead and swallow that milk. Princeton, you're gonna go to your room. Swallow the milk.
That used to make my feet. Yeah.
Okay, y'all. So we back. We're gonna try this again. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, let me turn you around. I gotta see.
What?
I said let me turn you around. Comments are not appealing. Let's
What?
delete that comment. Well, isn't that fun?
Okay, so hopefully this
Yeah,
time
but-
around, it'll stay the way that it's supposed to be.
Boxing.
Are y'all able to hear and see me now?
I see me. Mama says
Oh, you weren't having any problems in the last one? I don't know, because I couldn't see. Like, it went out and came back in, and then it paused. Like, it was a pop. So I'm back with the unboxing. I got a gift from...
Mom, you said something was under here.
It is. And this is what it was. Cardinals appear when angels are near.
Gigi is near.
This is my grandma's name.
Mom, I said when Gigi is near. I said when Gigi is near.
When Gigi is
I'll
near?
hold it
Okay.
and put it right into me.
All right. And then
Yes.
we got something under here as well. Okay. Oh, wait. No, it's just bubble wrap.
I'll take it.
You want the bubble wrap? Okay.
It's some. Mom, this is not bubble wrap, but I'll take it for my seat. I need it for my seat because my knees hurt. That's better.
Boy, bye.
No, it does.
Okay. Boy, stop.
That is better.
All right. Let me push this over here.
But is it
That
one more
was
thing?
Sweet. Yeah, it's some more things in this box.
One more or 2 million?
All right. So then we
Sit
got
down on it. Hard out if we could.
this. Okay.
Ooh, it looks like a ring box.
Okay. Let's see.
Wait, I get to see first peek.
You get to see the first peek.
Mhm.
Okay.
You don't. Yeah.
Just gotta be all up in it for what? For what reason? All right, boy.
It's this box. Mom, I didn't see the first peek.
Okay. Then we have.
Ooh.
Thank you. Okay.
Why is this so warm? It's hot.
Oh, we got a watch.
A watch? Oh, that's for me.
It's for you.
Yup, I'm taking that.
Okay. We got a watch. Okay, watch.
Wow, that feels good. How much to register in this?
Okay, then. Let me see. Oh, perfect.
What does it say?
It's got my children's name on the watch.
And you.
It has Zaria, Carly, Princeton, Aiden.
No, it says Aiden.
So cute.
No, it says Aiden, then Princeton. I have to go on to
Okay, stop.
G.
Thank you, Mouth of the South.
Mommy, paused again.
Okay.
It paused again, Mom.
Oh, Lord, it's kind of big. That's okay, because I know a watch person. I know somebody who knows how to do the watch. Take the watch out and make it smaller to your hand. But this is cute.
Mom, it paused again.
Thank you so much. It's got my kids' names on it right there.
Mom, it paused again.
How cute. It paused again.
Mm-hmm. See,
Okay. Yeah.
I wasn't having no problems. I bet you are now.
Boosie, excuse me, sir. Thank you.
I took the phone
appreciate
out.
your inside ministry. All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama, I'm hurrying up now.
Woo-hoo. Ooh, Lord bless it, Jesus. Okay.
If y'all wonder what I'm doing, it can come apart.
Nobody's wondering because you. All right.
And it comes with fluency. I can do this one.
All right, we got a nice little bag.
With nothing in.
I'm tired.
You're tired of
Okay.
the
And?
house. I get whatever's in it. It might be a pen.
Ooh.
I said I get that.
Neat.
I said I get that.
Yeah, I love stuff like this.
Fine, you get it.
It has my children's name on this too.
And yours.
My name, Ricardo, my name,
Daddy.
Zaria, Carly, Aiden, and Princeton.
Can we, wait, is it in order? Is that the order? Let me see.
Yes, it's the order.
I guess.
I'm about to put this on
No, it's mine.
just to see if I can put it on myself. Because y'all know jewelry like this, sometimes you don't wear it like that because you ain't got nobody to help you put it on. Or you can't put it on.
I can. I can.
Do we have to lean on the everlasting arm?
Yes.
Because you're leaning.
Yes.
Okay, let me see. I need to get one of them little hook things. Oh, okay.
What are those?
I appreciate your entire ministry. I love this. I'm going to get Ricardo to put it on. Because Boosie ain't, he going to act like he don't know what he doing.
I do know what I do.
And then we have this.
This is mine. Now this one's mine. You already...
And I love how everything is just wrapped so cutely. It's very cute. Very cute.
I get whatever is in it.
Oh, this is for Ricardo.
Oh, that's his birthday present.
This is for Ricardo.
That's for his birthday present, Mom.
This is his birthday present. It is. Ricardo's birthday is tomorrow. So this came just in time. A nice little personalized robe.
I want this.
Thank you. Excuse me,
I
sir.
want it.
Excuse me, sir.
I said I get it. So get it.
So we just gonna put this back. Ricardo, if you watching, surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise. No, he ain't watching, baby. He over there with them criminals. All right. Okay, Lord.
I thought that was Dad.
You did. All right, let me put this. Let me see if I can put this back like it was. Oh, child.
I'm gonna say, Dad, give me that when he gets home.
I can't. Okay. Come on now. Okay, hold this, Boosie. Hold this. Hold this. Push like this. Yeah. All right, because I gotta put it over here on this other end. Like this. All right, very good. Thank you. Put it back like that. It's never been open. It's never been open. Thank you so much. I appreciate your entire ministry. So we got the little plaque. And then we have a personalized watch, a personalized bracelet.
Where that watch at? Because it's mine. I'll take that bubble wrap.
Lord, keep me middle cross.
But I'm taking
And
this stick off.
I appreciate your entire ministry.
Like this.
Join us on TikTok because that's where I'm getting ready to go now to enjoy my last couple of days over there. I can't see y'all comments. I don't know who's on. I can't see anything on this side. So if y'all are trying to interact with us, I don't know what's going on Facebook. We getting ready to go to TikTok.
Yeah, get the bubble wrap out.
For our last couple days.
Yes, 3 days.
Oh. Bye, y'all.